Morning.
Hi, good morning. Today, market is in a very good mood. Let's see where exactly we get an entry. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we were not able to get any entry because that did not come under my setup. Today, I'm expecting a proper setup to earn somewhere between 10 to 12 points. So let me see what happens today. Now it is retesting the 15 minute, the first 15 minutes high. Let's see where exactly this candle will close. I will initiate a trade high of this candle, on the high of this candle. I have 17,100 put option and 17,050 call option in my watch list. So I had a setup here. I was expecting to buy at 183, 17,050 call option at 183. Let's hold on. So 183, we can initiate a buy. Now it's 185. Hold on a moment. We will buy a call option 17,050 at 183, 184. Hold on a moment. Don't buy now. So let it come down below 183. Now it is at 182.20. Now we can initiate a trade. Yes, my trade is active at 183. My trade is active at 183. So 195 is my target. So 195, I will exit. 195, I will have to exit. $195. As usual, 173 will be my stop loss. 173 is my stop loss. Doji is formed here. If this red candle closes below this doji candle, below this 955 candle, then I will exit. And that's also a stop loss kind of a thing. Today market is not that volatile, as I don't see big wicks here. So that's the reason why I don't want to remove my stop loss. Today buyers are in good mood. Even yesterday was also buyers were in good mood, but we did not get an entry anywhere. So you can see here, we never got an entry anywhere. We would have initiated a trade here at 12 o'clock. Since it was an expiry day, I did not want to take any risk. So that's the reason why I did not initiate any trade. Today, let's see, let's hope for some bare minimum profit. If this candle closes below the doji, then I will exit out of this trade. Getting into trade and losing money is also not advisable. Not getting into trade and saving our capital is also an earning. So let's see where I can expect a profit. I'm sure even today also I will be getting profit because it's the completely bullish. The market is completely bullish. A small jerk will help us to into this, get to profit. Let me wait for this candle to close and then decide whether to stick to this trade or not. Let this candle close. If this candle closes in red also, I will be out of the trade because I don't want to take any risk. I will be out of the trade with a small loss. This candle is closing in red. This candle is closing in red. So let's see what happens. Let's see what exactly. Yes, I will exit out of this trade. I will exit out of this trade. So 181, I will quit. I'm out of this trade. Thank you. Thanks for this. Thanks for you guys that who all have seen this video.